MUNINI RAIS kithure kindi kinekite gikaro na magavana mwanya na gwati mbaru kinya minista mwanya kenda kwariria mantu mwanya ja thirikari cha Matuura jamwe mantu jaria jonekere kwarirwo ni mantu jegiore ibo MARANDU kiria AKANDARATHI ondiru a report ya mwerekeri wa budget MERU yonanitie MERU ni kaunti imwe irite kure AKANDARATHI MARANDU taraja kinyete mwanka bilioni 1 katanta ijire.
We have had an issue of timely disbursements of county resources. I am informed by the CS for the National Treasury. Some progress has been made. I'm told November is still outstanding, and I am also told that next week, November will be sorted out, so that we try and regularize the delays. I am also aware there are other issues involving access to the development funds. Other than the delay in disbursements, there is also further delay down the chain because of the accountability procedures involving the Office of the Controller of Budget and the spending by counties. That discussion, we must face it head on and resolve it. We cannot have a situation where counties and county governments receive money, they're unable to spend it. But on the other hand, we must insist that accountability is for all of us. And therefore, we must have a way of bridging the gap between the viewpoints by the Council of Governors and the Controller of Budget to make sure that we assist both institutions, the COB and the COG, to deliver on their mandate. No institution has a right to frustrate the other. Both are pursuing legitimate interests, national interest, but at the same time, we must not use our mandates either to frustrate or to delay the delivery of services to the people of Kenya. Much has been achieved since 2013, since actually 2010, but particularly under the auspices of IBEC, much has been achieved since 2013. And I'm also happy to note that some progress have been made towards implementation of the resolutions of the immediate ordinary session of IBEC. The country is operating under a challenging macroeconomic situation, and that has affected the economic performance for the country, for some time now. As you're aware, the closure of our economy for nearly 2 years, between 2020 and 2021, because of COVID-19, and other global events, including high interest rates in the global market, the war in Ukraine, and a few other things, really affected the economy of Kenya in a significant manner.